I'm Hugo Esperanza from Collaboris. In this video, I'm going to give you a sneak preview of DocRead for Office 365, our upcoming tool that allows you to target your policies, procedures, or any of the important content to the right users within your organization. Don't go anywhere. So you have a site on your internet with all your company policies and procedures. It may look something like this. A home page with a long list of documents sorted alphabetically. But how do your employees know which policies are relevant to them? How do you know when or even if they read them? Some of these policies may be part of your onboarding process for new employees. Do those documents get automatically assigned to the employees when they join the company? How do you know when they finish reading them? These are just some of the challenges that DocRead was designed to address. DocRead for Office 365 was designed from the ground up as a cloud-based solution, and it was developed based on feedback from over 12 years of experience serving our on-premise customers. When you activate DocRead, you have the ability to target any content in SharePoint lists and libraries to users in your organization. DocRead will do this by automatically creating reading assignments that will need to be completed by the targeted users within a period that you can configure. To activate DocRead on a SharePoint library, a site administrator simply needs to navigate to the library, click on DocRead icon in the toolbar, and then click Enable DocRead. This opens the DocRead library settings panel where you can configure, amongst other things, who the DocRead library owners will be. These are the users that will be allowed to use DocRead to target documents in the library to any users or groups of users in your organization. In this case, I'm going to set myself as a library owner. You also have a bunch of other customization options, like configuring the terms and conditions that users will need to agree, the messages users will see when asked to read a document, and even the email templates that DocRead uses to notify the users. You don't need to change any of them if you're happy with what you get out of the box, but it's good to know that the options are there. After activating DocRead at library level, the library owners can now step in and target any document in the library to your target users. Targeting audiences to documents is very simple. In this example, I will target the basic advice on first aid at work to the company secretaries group and to a few individual users. To do this, I need to navigate to the document and click on the DocRead settings option. This opens the DocRead document settings panel that shows information about the document like the name, version, status, and the last check-in comments. This is also where we select which users we want to target the document to. Users are selected via audiences. Audiences are a configurable and simple way to create reusable groups of users. We can choose between global audiences, which are available to all documents and sites, or document audiences, to be used exclusively by this document. If I click on Global Audiences, I can see a list of audiences that I've previously configured. I can't select any of these audiences, but for our example, I'm going to create a document audience to be used just by this document, so you can get a feeling for how easy they are to configure. Clicking Create a Document Audience opens the audience settings where you can configure, amongst other things, the users that are part of the audience. In this case, I'm going to select Company Secretaries Group and myself. I'm also going to give everyone 14 days to complete the reading assignments. These start counting when the audience is assigned to the document or automatically when a user is added to the audience. We could also have chosen a fixed date if we wanted the users to complete the assignment by a specific date or make the assignment recurring. I'm also going to make Adele an audience owner. This way, she will be able to view all the reports and statistics associated with the audience, and will be able to ensure that all assignments are completed on time. I finished configuring the audience, so I can now click Create Audience. I can associate multiple audiences with a document. To demonstrate that, I'm going to associate the first ADA's global audience to this document. I now have the two audiences associated with the document, so I'll click Save to save the changes. DocRead will now create the reading assignments for all the users associated with both of these audiences. DocRead will also automatically create reading assignments for users that join those audiences at any point in time in the future. There are other optional advanced document settings like assignment settings for situations where you want assignments to start or stop at specified dates, and template settings that allow you to override the default template set at library level. I won't change any of these advanced settings, but we will cover them in another video. We have seen how library owners target documents to users. We are now going to have a look at how users complete their assignments. Users find out about their assignments in 3 different ways: email notifications, DocRead assignments web part that can be placed on the home page of your policy sites and will just show the assignments for documents that are relevant to you, and my favorite, the DocRead bubble on the corner. When DocRead is activated on a site collection, it displays a DocRead bubble on all sites that are part of that site collection. Users can click on the bubble to view their compliance dashboard. The first tab of the dashboard gives an overview of all of my assignments and the list of my currently pending assignments, which, in this case, is the one that DocRead created earlier. I can view the assignment by clicking on it. When I click on the assignment, I can view all of its details, like the information about the document that has been assigned to me, information about the assignment itself, the receipts associated with the assignment, which I'll cover in a minute, and the confirmation tab that I will use to confirm reading the document. To complete the document, I simply need to click View Document. This will open the document in a separate window. After reading the document, I can come back to DocRead, ensure that I agree with the terms and conditions, and click Confirm. This automatically updates my compliance dashboard, and as I can see, the assignment has now been removed from my pending assignments. I can view a full list of all my completed assignments in the Assignments tab. If I click on the completed assignment, I can see all of the completed details. I also have the ability to search through all of my assignments. On the Receipts tab of the dashboard, I can see the full list of reading receipts that are automatically generated by DocRead when I complete an assignment. These receipts record the fact that I've confirmed reading a specific document, and they'll stay in the system forever. Receipts are also fully searchable. And this concludes this high-level overview of the new version of DocRead for Office 365. We would also love to hear any feedback you may have. The best place to catch me is on LinkedIn, but you can also contact the DocRead team on the email shown, or follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, or Twitter. So don't be a stranger. Thanks for your time, and let's catch up soon.